Jeep Gladiator drain holes and why I don't recommend using them. Well, good morning everyone, and how are you today? Pretty good here, and welcome back to the channel. That's right, I don't recommend using the Jeep Gladiator drain holes. And did you even know that you have Jeep Gladiator drain holes? Well, we're going to take a look. I'm going to show you where they're at, how they work, and let you know why I don't recommend using them. Let's start over here on the passenger side, just to kind of show you where they're at. And I do have the Mopar floor mats down here, you guys can see. And the cool thing about the Mopar floor mats is they come with a cutout here. And the purpose of this cutout is to allow you to drain any liquid, water, whatever, out of the Jeep. Now, you would have to remove this little plug under here, and I'm going to show you on the driver's side what that looks like. Okay, over here on the driver's side, I've got the floor mat out, you guys can see here. And right here, and it actually left an indentation in the carpet where that drain hole or that plug is, so pretty easy to locate for me. But the carpet is actually scored, or cut if you will, and you can actually pull this out if you want to. And underneath here, you'll notice, is a plug. Now, this plug pulls out and leaves you access right down to the ground. And I'm curious how easy it actually comes out of there. Let's find out. I don't really want to rip my carpet up. And it is a long, let's see. Yeah, it goes the whole way there. You guys can see it's a long plug. Let's go ahead. I'm sure this is probably supposed to come out. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull this little grommet out of here. And you guys can see right there, it actually looks like a channel or something. Let's go ahead and pull it all the way out. It's actually a tray-like thing under there. Let's get some light on it. Actually, I believe that's just a frame member, if you will. Let's, yeah. That's actually just part of the frame under there. So the water would actually drain on that frame part. Let's look underneath. Put the light on it there so we can see where that hole actually is underneath. Hopefully. Let's take a look here. Ah, right there. So you can see where the light is shining right there, and it's actually above, it looks like this frame piece here. But you can see the light, so it does indeed obviously pull out or drain right underneath the floor right there. So gives you a way to drain fluid out if for some reason you get water or something on the floor mats, or even the floor of the Jeep for that matter. Okay, let's see if I can manage to stick this thing back in here. Should go in pretty easily, at least it looks to be. Hopefully. Because I do not want mine out, and as I told you in the beginning there, or as I alluded to, I'll let you know why here in just a minute, but that's about it. So it comes in and out pretty easy, and you don't really have to rip the carpet to get it out. Glad I didn't do that. You can certainly just pull it out by hand. There. Now you never even know it's there, except for the outline. Okay, so there you have it. That's how the drain plugs work in the Jeep. Again, they're in there to drain water or anything else liquid, I guess. Or maybe sweep sand out. I don't know. But it's a good convenient way to get the water and stuff out of your Jeep. And there's one on each side, as I pointed out, on the driver's side and the passenger side. And there's even a couple of drain areas in the back, I believe. I noticed a hose underneath there when I was nosing around. Right under here is that hose I'm talking about. You guys can see it right here. Not exactly sure what that is for. It sure looks like some kind of drainage to me. So I'm assuming it is drainage underneath the carpet here behind the driver's seat. Let's check real quick and see if there's one on the other side. Yeah, there is. Right here on the passenger side, there's another one of these little, what looks like a drainage point to me. Right here. But anyway, as I also mentioned, why I wouldn't recommend you doing it. Now, this is kind of a crazy reason really, but it depends on where you live and where you park. You know, where I live here in South Texas, we have a lot of critters and stuff roaming around the area, right? Particularly snakes, frogs, toads, big cockroaches, lots of big bugs and stuff. And if you leave that drain plug open, obviously, if you park outside, you're leaving an area or an entry point for any kind of critter to get inside. And we've all heard the horror stories, right? People driving down the road and all of a sudden they feel something go across their leg, or look down and there's something in the seat beside them, you know, a mouse or a rat or a snake. And that's not something I want to have happen, right? And we have an abundance of all of those things here. So I think if you leave that drain plug open and you're cognizant of those kind of things, or sensitive to them as I am, I don't like the creepy crawly things, right? Particularly snakes. You're giving a good way for them to get into your vehicle. A decent sized snake could actually fit through that hole pretty darn easily. And when they're searching for warmth on a cooler night, probably a pretty inviting new home for them to check out. So that's why I wouldn't recommend leaving them open. I think if you are going to do something that might cause you to have water or something on those mats or inside your Jeep, or you just want to clean it out and have a quick access point, I guess, to dump things out underneath like sand or dirt or whatever, they're really good for that. But I think leaving them open is probably not a good idea, because you just leave an avenue for critters and things to get in your Jeep. So let me know what you think. I'd be curious to know if you agree with me, or if I'm just a little bit crazy, and that's probably the case. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Also, real quick, if you haven't before and you're interested, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there and drive. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.